Hey, Booby.
Hi, Booby.
So we're just here waiting in line, and we have a friendly little visitor.
Can you see him? I know he's kind of far away. Let me zoom in.
Oh. Wow.
All right, we made it to the front and it's $15 per person. So today we brought our own bikes, but if you don't have a bike of your own, you could always rent one from Shark Valley, and they also have tram rides. It doesn't quite matter where you start on this 15-mile bike ride because it is one big loop, so you'll always end up back here. And it wasn't long before we started seeing some more wildlife.
Is that a hawk or a falcon?
It might be a
It's a falcon or a hawk right up there.
What do you say? Hold that falcon or hawk?
Man.
Oh, inline skates,
that's a Persian
roller
falcon.
skates.
That's a Persian falcon, right?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
For sure.
All right. Whoa!
Not long before we started, we headed into our first trail.
We're gonna see the Southwest Side of Rotters.
I know, it's so cool.
No.
I'm so glad we're doing this. We never did this last time.
Oh, because you didn't get to stop.
No, we just biked the whole loop. Oh goodness. Woo!
There's also some mini sinkholes.
Oh! Oh!
Limestone.
Yep. I'm pretty sure we just passed a gator in the water. I think so. I think there was a gator in the water. And the water is right there.
Let's see, go wrestle it. You can come up that slide, by the way.
Right?
Yeah, but he's not going to.
Guys, it's coming like right at you.
There's way too many people. He's way too small. He's also used to this.
Yeah.
For sure, right?
Yeah.
He's gonna go under. Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah.
Guys, you guys are like the biggest warrior.
Right?
God.
I won't even take your
My little alligator friend. Right, James? Like, we're good.
Come on.
We're good.
We're fine.
He's just right there.
Look at him being so beautiful. Oh, and he's going to the limestone.
I didn't even know there wasn't underneath. What? Oh wow!
Would that be?
I didn't even know you could go that way. What? Where's he gonna pop up from? There's
Oh, did you see the bubbles?
yeah. It's
Oh, they're also
He's
fishing
gonna
water.
be like
maybe that
in
way.
front of where our bikes are. You know how there's the water? He's probably gonna go out through there.
What?
That's crazy.
Or this side? What just happened?
My new glasses.
Marie doesn't like him.
Marie, do you not like them?
I might let him get eaten by something.
Look at how cute these little baby alligators are. Oh my goodness, and there's so many of them. But of course, Mama isn't always far behind. Check out this cool bird. It's called an aninga. It swims underwater to catch fish, and then it lays out in the sun with its wings wide open so it can dry. Okay, let's keep going and see what else we can find. We're definitely gonna see a lot of gators, but remember, don't feed or touch the wildlife.
On the right.
No, that's way too close.
It's a long bike ride, but we're almost to the tower, which means we're halfway there.
Switch the sides on him, my love.
I was coming to get your booty.
Oh!
We'll see. Will I make it? No, camera. Hello. Where's my food?
In Jay's basket. There's the tower. The halfway point. Ooh, we're going on the trail? Yeah. All right.
It's a straight dotted line.
Let's go. Hi. How you doing? Oh, look at the butterfly, so pretty. Wow. So pretty.
Boom.
Boom, bow, boom, boom. Bow, 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 bow. Oh my God, the tree's gonna fall.
Oh my God, can I do it with you? You think I'll hold it? Okay.
Now Claudia do it.
Now I can't do it with the food.
Hopefully,
Now I can't do it. I'll hold your food. I'll hold your
food.
food. My food will fall.
Not even shake.
so we just gonna twerk in the tree? Is that what's happening?
Oh, that's a buddy.
Yes! Oh no! Oh my God, Jimmy, you fell. This is what happened when you twerk in a tree. Whoa!
Poisonous?
That is way bigger than I imagined.
Snail in it? I'm sure it would be. Goodbye, snail.
Wow. James, where was the air plant you mentioned?
I think it's further up here.
Okay. Wow, that's really big. Woo!
Breweries.
Perfectly wonderful bathrooms. Super clean. You don't have to use a porta potty that's out there. Let's go climb this really long, really tall ramp. Wow, it's like we're walking up towards the sky. Look how beautiful this day is. Wow. Both sides.
This view is incredible, but I am ready to find a spot for our picnic.
There's a snake with something in its mouth. There's a snake with something in its mouth under here. Wait. Come on, next one.
Oh, yeah, little frog. Mitzi,
Oh.
Claudia, they're doing a good deed. Slow, Mitzi, slow. Or it could be a moccasin. I mean, I don't think so.
There's a snake there. Yeah, pop up too much. There's a snake there.
Oh, he got a frog. Good eye, Marie. Good eye.
Vinny caught that one.
Oh, good eye, Vinny. Good eye.
No damn snake.
Oh, wow. A little picnic snack for our halfway mark.
And back on the trail. Look at this cool guy hidden in the marsh. Speaking of hidden.
Hey, that's a gator.
Did you see him at first? How about now?
He is sleepy. Hey, don't you dare.
I'm not gonna touch him.
Jumps in.
I just grabbed him.
See these bony parts that go all the way down his back and his tail? These are called osteoderms or scutes, and they help protect him and regulate his temperature. This one's also a little hard to see, but it's a Florida
Watch,
gar.
he turns around and looks at us. I'm like,
No, not really. I think funny pythons have a lot of mercury in them, so it's not advisable to eat the meat.
what kind of snake is this? Burmese python.
Burmese python. Holy cow.
Oh, look,
And
you
then-
can ask about the snails.
And then that's
Yeah,
the
that's what I was just
skull.
talking to her about.
That's the skull of this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Holy wow.
This guy is just road kill.
This snake was found somewhere in the Everglades. I don't know where exactly. It was turned into researchers. They did what they collected, whatever they needed to collect, and then it was euthanized, and they and it was skinned. And then they gave us the skin. They gave us the skin for things like this, you know, for education.
Thank you so much for letting us see that.
Well, we reached the end of the bike ride, which means we reached the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. And if you did like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button at the bottom. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe.